Swarna Kumar Tripura, who was convicted in the murder of a policeman, escaped from the Central Correctional Facility again due to the negligence of jail police. He is a resident of South District Monubazar, Chota Sagbari area. It is known that in 2014, when the police arrested Swarna Kumar Tripura in a case of theft, he was placed in the Central Correctional Facility on the orders of the court, but he escaped from the Central Penitentiary. Then the police arrested him again in connection with the murder of police worker Ankia Mak. The court found him guilty and sentenced him in that case. Once again, he was placed in the Central Correctional Institution. 4 years ago, he escaped from the Central Correctional Institution for the second time. Then the police from outside the state arrested him and brought him. He was remanded in custody at the Central Correctional Facility, but due to the negligence of the jail police working in the Central Correctional Facility, he escaped again for the third time. The matter came to the notice of Devashish Shil of Central Correctional Center and Nantu Das of Sub-District. Then the police chase started. A large police force of Bishalgarh Police Station, including Superintendent of Police, IG, Prisons of Sipayujala District, Rashtra Central Correctional Facility, and the search operation has started.
না আপনারা কেউ মানে কইছিনি যে সাংবাদিকরা ক্যামেরা করতে পারতো না বাইরে থেকে সাংবাদিকরা কাজ করতে পারতো না আমরা তো খবর পাই আইছি না আসামি বাকি যেন খবর পাই আইছি
Reported by Ashish from Bishalgarh, Chini Khorang.